In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to WooCommerce. Klarna is a fantastic payment solution that lets customers shop now and pay later, which not only boosts customer satisfaction, but can also increase your conversion rates. If you're running a WooCommerce store and looking to offer flexible payment options, Klarna is an excellent choice to consider. The process itself is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have Klarna fully integrated into your online store. So let's get started and walk through the steps together. First, log in to your WordPress site. This is the starting point for any changes or updates you'll make to your WooCommerce store. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the WordPress dashboard, which is essentially the control center for your website. From here, we'll begin the process of adding Klarna. Next, navigate to the Plugins option on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Plugins are tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site, and since Klarna is not built into WooCommerce by default, we'll need to install it as a plugin. Once you click on Plugins, you'll be taken to the Plugins page where you can manage existing plugins or add new ones. Now look for the Add New button in the upper left corner of the Plugins page and click on it. This will take you to the Add Plugins interface where you can search for and install new plugins directly from the WordPress plugin repository. It's a simple and efficient way to add new features to your website. In the search bar located on the right-hand side of the page, type Klarna for WooCommerce. The plugin repository will then display a list of results matching your search. Be patient here, as it might take a moment for the results to load, especially if your internet connection is slow. Once the search results appear, locate the official Klarna plugin. It should be easy to spot, as it will clearly mention Klarna for WooCommerce in the name. Always ensure you're selecting the official plugin, as this guarantees compatibility and security for your website. When you found the Klarna plugin, click the Install Now button next to it. The installation process will begin immediately, and you'll see a progress indicator while the plugin is being downloaded and installed onto your site. This step usually takes just a few seconds. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. Click on Activate to enable the plugin. Activating the plugin makes it functional on your website, so this is a crucial step. Once activated, you'll be ready to configure Klarna within WooCommerce. Now, navigate to the WooCommerce option in the left sidebar of your dashboard. WooCommerce is the e-commerce platform that powers your store, and this is where we'll manage the payment settings for Klarna. From the WooCommerce menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main WooCommerce settings page. At the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Payments tab to access the payment method settings for your store. This is where you can enable, disable, or configure payment options for your customers. Scroll through the list of available payment methods until you find Klarna. It should appear in the list as one of the options. If you've installed and activated the plugin correctly, Klarna will be listed here. Finally, click the Enable option next to Klarna to activate it as a payment method for your store. Once enabled, Klarna will be live on your website, and your customers can start using it to complete their purchases. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings page. And that's it. You've successfully added Klarna to your WooCommerce store. Now your customers can enjoy the convenience of flexible payment options, and you can reap the benefits of offering a modern, customer-friendly checkout experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.